what's up? It's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense. Are you a student who's recently been given the task to come up with a state project, but you don't know what to do, where to go, or how to get started? If so, I'm here to help. Now, I'm not going to do this project for you, but I do want to help give you enough information to help get that ball rolling so you can take it, run with it, and do a great job on it. I have a state report graphic organizer that I have for sale on my Teacher Pay Teacher website. If you think that might be something you want or need, I'll put a direct link for it in the comment section down below. Now, this video is specifically tailored for students who are doing their project on the state of North Carolina. North Carolina became the 12th state to join the Union on November 21st, 1789. The original governor was a guy named Richard Caswell. We know today that the capital of North Carolina is Raleigh, but that wasn't always the case. North Carolina's original capital was a place called New Bern. The state flag consists of a blue union with the full width of the flag and a third of its length. The remaining are two horizontal red and white stripes. Within the blue union is a 5-pointed star flanked by the letters N and C in gold. The state bird is a cardinal. The state tree is a pine tree. The state flower is the flowering dogwood tree. The state nickname is the Tar Heel State. And the state motto is a Latin phrase called esse quam vere, which means to be rather than to seem. I love that. Now, hopefully this is enough information. Get that ball rolling, take it, run with it, and do an awesome job. Good luck, you got this. Until next time, it's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense.